How's it going, friends? Today I'm bringing you this Electrolux gas water heater, which has several problems, but right now we're mainly going to talk about this leak it has here. So to open it up, we're going to remove the screws at the bottom. There are several, and at the top there are only two. Once that's done, we just disconnect two cables from the display and we can remove the cover. Once that's done, we're going to turn on the tap and you'll see how the water droplet starts to appear. This happens because there's a seal or a very small O-ring that is no longer sealing properly. So we're going to close the main valve that supplies the heater, and we're going to remove the inlet screws, the two burner screws, which are these right here, the grounding screw and the screws that go directly to the base, so we can remove the entire main system of the heater. Okay, we're also going to repair these wires over here, which are the ones that carry the spark. Why? Because they're already burned, so we're going to trim them a bit and then readjust. Here we already have everything loosened. I just have one screw left, which is the one at the end over there. So once that's done, we can remove the entire main system to start the repair. Right here, here's the membrane, but to access it properly, we need to remove these two screws here on the gray part, which is what controls the gas. Okay, so once that's done, we can remove the four corresponding screws. Once that's ready, here I'll show you this rubber piece that goes here, and this is just for the gas part, but anyway, we'll assemble it later on. So we remove this and look at how the plate is completely destroyed, broken. This has been here for a very long time, and the constant contact with water ruins the plastic. When we lift the membrane, we can also see part of the spring. It's a spring that holds a kind of valve, what's it called, pulled forward, and we can see that it also wasn't doing its job of pulling this piece of the valve. So we're going to repair that spring and replace this broken plate that no longer works. But we also see a nut. We're going to loosen that nut because that's where the damaged O-ring is located. So once that's loosened, we can remove this entire shaft. The shaft should come with a small golden piece at the tip, as you can see, but it also needs an O-ring. That O-ring is inside, and that O-ring needs to be removed. This piece needs two O-rings, one for the gas and one for the water. For the spring part, what we're going to do is close the top a little, so we can adjust the valve that you see next, like this. So we press